ningayibuzeli. Siyahlukumezeka lana ku Facebook no Instagram. Kulokhu bephostwe isithombe sika Nzulu ubhuti kaSinga. So ilanga abaposte ngalo, abaposta ngebirthday yakhe isithombe. UNzulu ke ingane yami naye. So awukwazi ke ngopostile ukuthi ngingasho lutho ngengane yami. Amakhehla wonke lawa omabili. Angazi usisi engingamazi ngoba ngishiwe ukuthi happy belated birthday khehla lami. Usisi wabantu. Angazi bani noma umagayise noma umahayise whatever kodwa kuyinto ethi mayiyele lapho ngoba ngisakhumbuli kahle. Wanyuka ngami bongafunga ukuthi hayi ingane eyakubo. Ethi nje ngikhunjuzwa social media ibirthday yengane ubheke nje angazi lutho. Musani ukuhlukumeza kanje nabakithi. Ngezinto ezingangifuni. Abantu bathatha izinto zabantu kube izinkinga zabo bazenze kube ngazuthi ke manje nake hayibo bafuna usilawula mina ngifuna usilawula la umuntu ufuna ukulawula ngezinto angaqondene nazo uxake ukuthi lona ungenaphi ngoba lengane leyona nje yabo ngithi ngiyabheka ngoba asazani nje uze wathi ngoba sathatha impilo yethu sayifaka la ku TV bayangena ngathi uyayazi birthday yani ngani ukuthi inini awuthathe seyakini kanti ingane uze phela ngazi ngoba phela ngingaphinde mhlambe ngisho lutho ngoba phela ngeke ngisho uma ukuthi kusayile ewe yami ingane hayi banyuka abantu ngami ngasho ngathi hayi ngeke inkosi yami ngaphendula hayi mina ngizomphendula guys uma ngabe nihambe ningifake ezintweni ezingahlangene nami nokuphambanisa izinto nje futhi ngoba umuntu uma ngabe enenkinga nabanye abantu musani fika nihamba nisifake indabeni zezingane izingane ezami njengoba kuyizingane ezingampumelelo ukuthi kwenzekani kubona akuhlangene nami phela noma ngabe kubuhlungu noma ngabe kunjani yes nami ngomuntu wesifazane kwakuzoba buhlungu nami kumina njengoba kwakubuhlungu nami ngawengane into eyenzeka kuyena kodwa lokho akusho ukuthi manje nafanele nisithathe noma kanjani ngifuna ukusilawula kufanele sizwe ngani ke manje ukuthi kufanele ngisho ukuthi happy belated kufanele ke manje ungitshela ukuthi hayi anikwenza ukuthi awuyazi inkinga yabo angiyazi nami inkinga yabo and futhi nizosifaka nje intweni angikwazi angihlobene nawe ngazi ukuthi ungibone lapha ku TV akusho ukuthi usuyangazi ngalendlela ukuthi ke sekufanele ungitshela ukuthi ke ubheke nomkhunjuzo wa social media ukuthi birthday yengane kanti phela birthday yengane ngiyayazi ukuthi yini guys musani ukusiphatha kabuhlungu kangaka ngempilo yethu yebo niyayazi leya elapho kodwa lokho akusho ukuthi phela seniyazi ukuthi siphila kanjani ake nihlukana yabona nje ingane zami ngiyacela bandla niphume isona lezi ingane nje azihlangene nani akubhulisho singabakho ngelinye ilanga senikhuluma indaba yoNzulu bakithi ake nibenze nje abantu bakhululeke mabepostile bakhululeke engasuka umuntu nayo nengane yakhe embi bese emva kwaloko azophawula uthi uyabheka awuyilokhile le profile yakhe ngoba uyazi ukuthi nje bandla unezingane zakhe naye ezimbi hayi guys yekanye izingane zami bakithi uma beneyinkinga bakithi nabantu musani nje ake nikhululeke abantu bakhululeke njengani.
Yo molweni namgelekile nonke kwezichisa be entertainment ndithe namhlanje guys because ukudala ndanigqibela mandike ndiniqalele nge-live ndigqibele ngokuthetha nani for sure most of you are like hayibo le ntombazana yavele nje yashiya kanjalo but guys I have been busy with so many other things but nizozama by all means into bandirevive nale channel ke eyezichisa be entertainment nanko ke umayeni recently as nani benimva ke kwi-live le live lena uye wayenza ku Facebook yathanda ke uba live not so long ago guys I think ndayiposta le video ansakhumbuli noba ndayiposta here on YouTube or Facebook apho ke wayithetha ngabantu abazibhuli they on social media abasoloko if utirelo mhlawumbe uposte something they are going to comment offside okanye bamcomparishe with uVuyokazi same for uVuyokazi if she posts something khona abantu abazokhomenta offside bamcomparishe notirelo so ungumuntu nje othandayo recently ukuba live ke ku Facebook as nizivela nani ke is coming for umuntu engaziba ngumuntu othathwa phi lona guys ochazayo into yokubana you cannot be wishing uNzulu a happy belated birthday as a grandmother because awuyazi ba ibirthday yakhe inini guys. Our own parents, maningati our own, let me talk for myself. My own parents forget their own birthdays. Let's say mhlawumbe umayeni akachongo nyani intoba happy birthday to uNzulu. Like lo mntu lona where does she enter because I think in the black community it's something that is a norm. Even abazali bethu guys, they forget their own let alone our birthdays, their own birthdays. Umuntu tumfonela uthi hayibo happy birthday ntoni umuntu abe lost into ba hayibo lo muntu, and then am I born today? So for people to be bashing umayeni, guys, honestly, this one, it's honestly, and what I can say to comment on this one, because so many of you, even the people that are commenting, agreeing to the person who was stating that umayeni should know ibethe zabazukulu bakhe off by heart and then amushele. So umntu lona ebefuna umayeni aposte isithombe sanzulu on that day eyamanyani, because uyachuba uvuyo posted later on and not on ibirthday yamanyani, you understand? So this person expected intoba umayeni aposte on the actual birthday. So ndiyazibona ke ne comments zabantu, some people are saying you know what, this person who commented about this uyamlaya umayeni because bahleli nompumelelo. Recently ke uVuyokazi uye waba ne-interview apho ke erevile khona intoba yena she is the sole parent to abantwana bakhe, uncediswa ngabazali bakhe. So uthi ke lo mntu lona uyalayeka umayeni because in as much as she is financially well off, okay, this is according to the people, but she is financially well off, and umntanakhe, according to izinto thina esizifundayo kwama articles, akabondli abantwana bakabani bakaVuyokazi. So this person is stating that why is umayeni and uTatomseleku not then stepping in for ubani, for umpumelelo? Kube ngabo abazomondlela, because now umayeni has come forward to state that bonke abazukuli ngabantwana bakhe. Yo guys, ndiyaqala uyiva sana, andazi noba it's because mhlawumbi omseleku banayo imali, but I cannot even imagine myself then saying that abazali bakotata omntanam mabondle, clearly because utata womntanam akafuni ukondla. I think for me, the best thing that I can do is to ngihambe ngiyomfaka i-maintenance mekuwukuthi akondli. But this entitlement now from ama-fans is saying that makube ngumayeni okanye uTatomseleku kuba benemali makube ngabo abondlayo. Ayivakali kakuhle at all, you guys. I think the best advice the fans should at least be giving is that hamba uye ekhoti for maintenance and then take it from there. Xa ubona ba kulapho ke abaleka khona mhlawumbe athi uba yena akasebenzi okanye nje all these things men do whenever it's time for them to maintain abantwana babo, then ke only then ke mhlawumbe can we then say ama-fans can come forward bazocela ke uTatomseleku and umayeni to then step in. But anyways, you guys, get nazo indaba hour. Let me know your thoughts and I will surely see you guys shortly. Thank you for tuning in. Bye.